Hey, Bo here. Good to see ya. I saw a cute idea on Pinterest about it's a matchbook notepad, and I just made it. This is 10 sheets of paper, and it's just a good way to use up paper. You can put it in your purse and have something to write on if you have to. And it's another way to use up extra paper. And then the outside of the matchbook is an old calendar page. This is thick paper, works really good. And if you don't care what's on the inside, then this is a great idea. When I made this, I ended up trimming this down a little bit, trimming this up a little bit. The paper I originally stapled in twice, but then I realized I had to staple this flap over. So I think in the end, all you really need to do is tuck the paper up there, flip this over and staple it. And it would be just like really an old matchbook. But it's nice and small, and it's something to write on. And so all I needed was this page, any kind of decorative page. Something a little thicker than a regular sheet would be good. And then these need to be regular sheets of paper because your staple has to go through it. So I've already trimmed another calendar page. And this is about 2.5 inches. But the measurements don't matter because you're gonna cut to the size that you want, the size that you have, basically. And this here, I went down about this far is the overlap, and then about that far. It's all kind of a guesstimate thing. You can always trim more. And then what I'm going to do is cut about there. And then we'll see how this goes. So I'm not going to staple these papers. These are 10 sheets of paper. And I'm not going to place them or staple them here, but I am going to kind of bend just to get an idea where to put these. And then, so they're placed there. And then I will flip over and I'll end up trimming the bottom, but that'll give me a way to a guide. And much more paper, and you're not going to be able to staple through. This is kind of a small stapler, so if you have a bigger one, it'll really help. Now, this is going to be too long, so I'm just going to trim off a little, just enough to tuck under. And there I have it. And it's just a real cute little gift. Fast, easy. You just pre-cut these and make any size that you want. I made 2 in just a couple of minutes. So you might want to give that a try. It might be a nice gift. If it's not a calendar back, this would be a cute little gift to give to somebody. So if you give it a try, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you soon.